Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Lowcarblove, and today we're gonna be making candied pecans. So these aren't just ordinary pecans, guys. These pecans are super crunchy, but they're also low carb and keto friendly. So I have all the ingredients right here. I actually ordered everything from Thrive. Today we're gonna be using our pecans, some cinnamon, I have sweetener, which obviously is super important. And you can't have candied pecans without topping them with a little flaky salt. So we're just gonna grab all our ingredients, move over to the stovetop because we are not even baking these, guys. These are gonna be done just like this, right on the stove. So let's go. All right, guys, so we are using the Thrive Market organic pecans. Now, this is an optional step, but we are going to just roast them for about 2-3 minutes or just until they become fragrant on the stovetop, okay? Now, we're just gonna use the whole bag. This is just 16 ounces, so remember, this step is optional. They will still get nice and crunchy even without this, but I just always do it, so I'm not gonna skip it, but I'm telling you, you can, and they will still turn out. So I'm gonna take these off the stove. We're gonna set them just to cool meanwhile we make the caramel sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add in our sweetener. We have our water, vanilla, a little vanilla, and cinnamon. All right, let's just mix this together. And magically, our caramel sauce is going to appear. No, but seriously, these are the simple ingredients to making caramel sauce. You can definitely add butter and it will add a richness to it, but this is all you need. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. Once you're able to separate your sauce like this, then you can add your pecans in because it's still gonna thicken a little more once they're in. Okay, so we're just gonna toss everything back in. Now let's make sure all our pecans are nice and coated. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the consistency. I want you guys to know what to expect when you're making them. So at first it does look a little watery, but as you can tell, you can see that it is now starting to bubble, which is what you're looking for. Once we set it out to cool, it will harden, and guys, you're gonna have the crunchiest candied pecans. Guys, it smells so amazing in here right now. I can't wait for you guys to make these. Your kitchen's gonna smell like a candy shop. All right, guys, so take a look at this. Okay, I want you to see the consistency before we pour it out. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so bomb. Let me go ahead and try to spread them out. And for those of you that don't know about Thrive, Thrive is an online membership market. It's amazing because everything's delivered straight to your door. You're guaranteed a savings. As you can tell, I always get my specialty ingredients from there, so I don't have to be like grocery shopping and like store hopping because sometimes it, you know, you can't find those like specialty ingredients that you need for certain recipes. So Thrive is definitely amazing for that. Right now they're offering you a 30% discount plus a free gift on your first order. So I'll leave the link in the description below. Check them out. They're amazing. I've been a Thrive member for over 3 years. Obsessed. Like, I get my shipment every single month. As you guys can tell, I love trying out their new products. If you're keto, paleo, vegan, they have something for everyone. So just make sure you guys check them out. Either way, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys. So right now we are going to go ahead and top our pecans off with a little bit of flaky salt because the contrast with that sweet and salty is everything in life, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and let them cool, and I'm gonna show you the final texture on these bad boys. All right, guys, so our pecans have cooled for about 20 minutes now, and this one's calling my name. Ooh, this has a nice little crust on the back. See that? Let's go ahead and give it a try. Guys, okay. Candied pecans are one of my favorite treats. Like when I go to fairs, if I'm going to Disneyland or anywhere, if they're selling candied pecans, I'm buying them. The only thing is that those are full of sugar. So these are obviously low carb, they're keto friendly, no sugar added. Now, the thing about the sugar here, you know that I love using allulose for a lot of my baked goods. You cannot use it for these. If you use allulose for this recipe, they're gonna turn like very chewy, and that kind of defeats the purpose of making candied pecans because they're supposed to be super hard and crunchy. I'll link the sweetener that I use for the candied pecans. It's gonna leave them super crunchy. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description below. If you guys have a sweet tooth just like me, comment down below, give me some ideas so that you can see them in some future videos. Guys, thanks again for being here. I love you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.